Welcome to our detailed comparison of two popular hair clippers, the Novah Professional Hair Clippers and the FADEKING Professional Hair Clippers. In this video, we will dive into their specifications, performance, and user experiences to help you make an informed choice. Let's get started. The Novah Professional Hair Clippers are priced at $99, making them a premium choice for those seeking high-quality grooming tools. In contrast, the FADEKING Professional Hair Clippers are more budget-friendly at $74, offering great value for those who want quality without breaking the bank. This price difference may influence your decision based on your budget. When it comes to build quality, the Novah clippers are praised for their robust and premium feel, which many users appreciate. On the other hand, the FADEKING clippers, while still well-made, may not feel as durable as the Novah. This could be a consideration for users who prioritize longevity in their grooming tools. The Novah clippers come with a variety of attachments but lack a dedicated carrying case, which some users find inconvenient. In contrast, the FADEKING clippers include a travel case, making them easier to transport and store. This added convenience can be a significant factor for those who travel frequently or prefer organized storage. In conclusion, both the Novah and FADEKING hair clippers offer excellent features and performance. The Novah is ideal for those who value a premium build and superior customer service, while the FADEKING is a fantastic budget-friendly option with a convenient travel case. Consider your needs and budget to choose the right one for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.